Hello, this is CGDI Official. Today, I want to tell you how to copy a ID48 96-bit chip with this CGDI K2. Where is the function? We should access to chip identification copy, then decoded copy. There is 48, 96 bits, online calculation. Before that, we should read the instruction carefully. Okay, let's start copying. First, put the original mechanism key into the induction coil. By the way, it is not recommended to copy smarts keys. Second, place the antenna of CGDI K2 near the car ignition coil. And we need to repeat 4 steps. They are: inserting the original key, turning on the switch, turning off the switch, removing the key. CGDI K2 will collect the data. Third, when the software prompts collection completed, we should put the original key back into the induction coil. CGDI K2 will connect to the server for calculation. The calculation takes 2 to 10 minutes, but you can exit this interface to do something else, because the program is able to compute automatically.
A few moments later.
Fourth, let's return 48, 96 bits, online calculation. But here, we should click Query Last Result. Okay, we have obtained results. Now, we should verify the original key. Because my presentation just now missed the best time, the verification failed. Take it easy, try again. Exactly. Last, copy the data to a new chip. This is a new ID48, 96 bits chip. Place it into the hole. Alright, the operation is completed. Now, let's identify the original key and the chip. Compare their information, and verify that the copy was successful. Key's ID is 08CA2A95. How about the chip? Chips is 08CA2A95, 2. They are same. Perfect.